Here is a cryptocurrency currently on pre-sale right now that has up to 100x potential. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about pre-sale gem that's going absolutely crazy, and it's already raised its first $350,000, a massive milestone. At the time of filming this video, in the next 7 minutes they're having their price hike, so it's your time to buy now. Link in the description below. What is this project? It is called Crypto Allstars, and we can see really retro style, the 8-bit meme coin style. We've seen your purchase of stars, ticker symbol stars. You buy the ETH, USDT card, BNB. Buy Crypto Allstars in pre-sale to earn max rewards. Crypto Allstars is about to shake up the entire meme coin space. We have developed the first ever meme vault, a staking protocol that allows you to earn star tokens by vaulting popular meme coins. Stars pre-sale is live right now. To get your star token get to start earning rewards before opening the innovative meme vault platform to the world's first anti-reg staking meme vault ecosystem. Massive reward potential. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what meme vault is, but we can already see some pretty famous memes. We see Shiba Inu, we can see Turbo token, that's a mug. We see Miladies, Toshi, Jack Doge, and Doge is just trading, and it's been featured on a bunch of different places as well, so that's good. But what is the meme vault? So the world's first anti-red, I think this is anti-red staking. The revolutionary meme vault protocol enables the multi-token, multi-chain meme staking. In short, this means that all top meme coin holders worldwide are brought together under a single umbrella to stake their tokens, incentivize and rewards for holding star, the lifeblood of the platform. So secure and transparent, massive reward potential, as it looks like you're going to be earning lots of rewards, and then meme market exposure. So that's pretty cool how it's an all-in-one system set up for you. And they have a roadmap as well, and I love the website, by the way, too. Very clean, very gamey style. Okay, so the roadmap: every top meme coin combined into a single force. The meme vault will bring together the entire meme coin space under one umbrella, Crypto Allstars. So pre-sale, the first stage is obviously to sell their pre-sale and go live with this, and then the next is their token launch. So obviously after pre-sale's over, to launch, and then third phase is going to be unlocking the vault. Every whale and small investor from every major meme coin will be in the house as Crypto Allstars launch its revolutionary meme vault network. All the top meme coins can be staked. However, you must own stars to max out. How's that for an incentive? And then Tokenomics, here's a breakdown of the star tokenomic allocation: 20% to pre-sale, 25% to pre-sale staking, 20% to marketing, 10% to centralized exchanges as well as decentralized exchanges, and 25% to the meme vault ecosystem. Love the graphics. And then they have a how to buy tab, guys, which is very simple. We don't need to go into it, but you go ahead and take a look. And then buy now and stake for 5,028% reward. That's absolutely insane. One of the most biggest staking earning rewards you're gonna get in the market right now. 5,000% is absolutely insane. And they have an FAQ tab, and that pretty much wraps up for the website. The staking is where it gets sweet, guys, because again, a massive 5,000 AP. You're not getting returns like this anywhere else. With dynamic range staking, you can be earning a ton of money by simply buying and holding. So you want to take advantage of the stake opportunity. Now's your time to load up before obviously the percentage goes lower. You start earning a massive bag. And we see over on Twitter as well, guys, they already raised 2,000 followers, and we see they posted just a couple days ago, and the pre-sale went live. Unbelievable All-Stars. We just hit $350,000 in record time. The excitement is off the charts, and this is only the beginning, raising $350,000. It has a very GTA Vice City 8-bit style vibe, and I absolutely love the graphics, and it's crazy how quick they raised the money. In just 40 hours, they raised $300,000. So this project basically brand new. August 12th was 48 hours ago. So this project is like 3-4 days old. On Telegram as well, they have 1,500 people subscribed. So just growing a massive community. Guys, you know, on the 99B YouTube channel, we are very bullish on these pre-sale gems, as the opportunities could be endless. So if you want to load up, now's your time to strike. But again, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.